Hi everyone, welcome to Building Public with Natively. This is Jahid, full-time vibe coder at Natively, building mobile apps for you and with you. Today I'm going to build a simple mobile app to actually submit it for the Android for Play Store because so many of you asked me how to launch an app in Android Play Store. So I'm going to do that and show you a step-by-step process of how to build an app and also how to launch it or deploy it to Play Store or Android. So let's get started. So we are here at Natively. So let's try to build something simple that we can actually be fast. So I can just show you the process of how it's gonna be done. Let's give the prompt like build me a note-taking app. Yeah, let's just go like this. So what I ask is simple, I asked Natively to build us a simple note-taking app, and we try, to deploy it to Android, and then see how that process is going. I haven't done it myself yet because I have always done iOS, because I don't, I didn't have Android phone till a month ago. So I'm gonna do this for the first time here live in public, and we will see how it's a process. So we can also Google if we don't know anything, or ChatGPT things and the steps. So yeah, here we can see the code. I mean, you can actually work with the code if you know how to with code because I myself I don't know coding, so I just rely on Natively on building mobile apps. So just let's see and wait for this. What happens is that if we go if you want to have some nice designs, we can go to Pinterest. For me, I either design my apps on Figma myself, or actually, I get some ideas from Pinterest, and then see what really is nice and working. So I can say note-taking app, and we can have some ideas, from Pinterest. Let's see. Well, it should be like mobile app. Um, it's actually a nice one. I like this or this one or this one. I think I like the previous one more. So let's just take this one. Uh, yeah, let's save it. Nice. This is a very simple one. Yeah. So meanwhile, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna connect the app with Supabase, which is our backend, our database. So I connect with Supabase because we need that nodes to go somewhere and be saved somewhere. So I do create the Supabase here, the database. We authorize it. Yeah, it's Christmas Day. It's 25th of December, and I hope you all have amazing chill time with family, with friends, and yeah, like celebrating it. Some of our users, really ask us a lot about, making a video on how to deploy an app to Android. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it today. This is the best time. Yeah, I mean, I do also spend time with my family today, but still, I can fit this in my schedule. And then we have I was gonna connect the app with Networkify because I don't have enough space in Supabase, so I'm just gonna connect with this one. We can see and go to the dashboard. We can see that we have 73 tables. Tables are all from the previous apps. This is not from the app that we have now for the node. Yeah. So this is built. Let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. So I'm gonna do this. Yeah, and also let me know if you have some ideas or if you have some ideas for any video which you want me to make. For example, some of you asked about Android, so I'm gonna do it now. But if you have some specific ideas, for some app, for some videos like how to prompt, how to do the design, how to do this and this and that, just please comment or write me on Discord. So I'm gonna make a video on that and then show you step by step process of how to do that. I think here we are just learning from each other and then you're kind of trying to build things in public so we all can learn and we all can build amazing mobile apps together with Natively. We can check it. Oh yeah, so we have now 74 tables. So we added just one new table. I think it should be some called note or node, something like that. Yeah, you see that we have so many tables here from other apps. That's why I really recommend creating one separate project in Supabase for every app that you're making. Yeah, I cannot find it. I already upload design here that I have. Um, please use this for the design and branding. So nice. Let's do this. Yeah, so our backend is built. Perfect. So we have the backend set up. Nice. So I'm gonna give this prompt and then yeah, let the design to be changed and yeah, rebuild. So yeah, I'm in Germany. So as you can see that my recording setup changed. This is my brother's bedroom. So I'm just like using this for my as my studio. So yeah, I hope it's all good. But the most important thing is the content and also me doing it even if I'm on a holiday or like if it's Christmas time. So yeah, so once it's done, then we can actually go and deploy this for the. We'll build the ABB ready to upload to Play Store. Yeah, we can also do the APK. So the APK will be like if you want to test the app, how it looks like and how it works. That will be nice. But also, if you scan this QR code, then you can actually see the app on your phone. So yeah, this is nice because you just have to check out the app how it looks on your phone because you can see if it's showing or not. Yeah, it doesn't show now here. Let's see. Yeah, it's also changing the Supabase, the backend, because there are some new sections. So I think there should be more tables here now. I would say so. Or let's see. Yeah, so the design changed a bit. So yeah, now everything is changing. I can try to log in. Yeah, we have the all important ones, to-do list. We can add things here. We can save. We can go back. Okay, it's changing. So I'll wait for it to finish building, and then I will see how the final version looks like. And some of you are asking about the question mark. So like we'll try to fix this question marks in this time in this video, and we'll show you how to do it. I'm gonna scan it on just to see how it looks on the phone now, if it shows up or not. Yeah, it actually says that I have to sign up, so I'm gonna sign up. Let's see. Christmas shopping. Oh, it doesn't save. Oh yeah, it saves. Okay. Ask. Please remove this question mark or replace it with the proper icon. Let's give it a go. Also, settings section should be called profile, and let's add a bit more details about the profile. So I'm gonna, just change here is like the setting is not, I don't like it. I just want to call it profile. So we just change that. So yeah, that will be a good one. Some stuff here. I can save it. Also, I can, change the color. Nice. Yeah, it's changing the color. Nice. This looks good. So I can put like recording, and then I can put the color here, like this one, save it. Yeah, it looks nice actually. I like this. It's very simple. So I'm gonna just, okay, yeah, this question mark is changed. Nice, this icon, good. And then also I'm gonna change the setting to profile section so it's a bit nicer and better. But yeah, so it's really like now, like you have the overall structure of the app and we have the backend. So now it's like up to what you want to change, the design, the sections, like so you just have to work around and see what works, what not, and then you just have to talk with natively to actually fix it, add it, remove it. So it is all about just like small prompting and just like trying to work with it. Yeah. Okay, I think this is about the icon if you like it or not. So, but let's see. I want to see it how it looks on my phone as well. Perfect. I will just should be called. Yeah, I'll be just give it this prompt to go. Nice. So now we have profile section. This is cool. Yeah, we can always check the database, the Supabase, if there are some new changes or not, and then try to see how the backend is being changed, and then we can actually influence if it's changing or not. And so every change should actually show up. Yeah, nice. So this is here. We can see this sign up part, which is nice. So we can see the users and notes. Yeah. So just actually nice. I like it. So yeah, as I said, it's really now about how creative you are and what you want to do with the app. So you can actually do whatever you want, and hence it, make changes. Yeah, and so forth, so on. Yeah, so I can see it also on my phone. Looks good. Yeah, I can have it. So yeah, this looks good actually. I like it. It's very simple note-taking app. And yep. Okay, nice. Perfect. So let's say that I like this one, and then I want to push it to Android to Play Store. So I'm gonna just build this one, the APB. So I'm gonna call it .com note-taking dot my app. Okay, let's say company. Yeah, let's say okay. Let's continue. So this one, it will take some time. It's gonna be version. Actually, it's gonna be version 0. Yeah, version 1. Let's go. Okay, let's continue. So yeah, we're gonna download the AP, the ABB. Okay, let's start building it. Yeah, this will take some time. But also like manual, could actually build the APK and then see it on our phone on Android. But I'm gonna do that as well, But let's see. let's try to do the ABB first, Android app bundle, so that we can actually directly upload it to like Google Play Store. And yeah, this will just like help us to launch the app on Google Play. So actually it takes, some like 20, 30 minutes or maybe 15 minutes. So that's why, you might see not that waiting time, but yeah, you just have to wait for 10, 15 minutes, depending on how complicated your app is, because our app is simple. So that's why it took a bit less time, but it takes time to build the whole ABB package. So I'm going to download this. Perfect. Nice. I have it. So let's go to, but meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the APK. Let's download the APK here as well. So I'm going to go to my Google Play Store. So here's my Google Play Store. I have one app that I have it, but I'm going to create one more app here. So I'm going to call it Note Taker, or my Note Taker, let's say. Call it English. It's an app. It's free. Confirm. Yep. So we create the app here. So what you do is simply like you just you go to your Google Play Store and you create an app and you just fill in this information. So it's taking some minutes. Here it is. Nice. Okay. So let me do this. Wait till the release. I have to put my ABB bundle here. So here we just come and we just create internal testing release. So we just add our app bundle here, the ABB that we just downloaded. So that actually builds the app here. And then I'm gonna we can have up to 100 testers for our app. This is my first time doing it, so it's kind of cool for me to learn as well. So this is working. So it's released. So we just did this. Nice. Release name. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the invite emails. Yep, I'm gonna just release the names. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna call it like quick. Sorry. Okay, so I have it here. Nice, it's built. So let me just go next. So we just uploaded the app bundle here. We're gonna go next. There are some warnings. Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna save and publish. So I'm gonna save this and publish. So this was it. So it's available. Let me see. Create list, or actually I can send the invite code. So I'm gonna send this code to my email from the other email that I have. So our app is complete, and then our app has to be reviewed, and then we can see, we can download it for the users. So we just have submitted for internal use. We can see here the summary. I'm gonna see if I can download the app, but this was a process. We can create a new release. If we update. So imagine that we're gonna update our app. With some new changes, and then we can actually try to push the new update release, and then it will be updated the app. So let's see. Hey, let's go back here. So I have to actually invite people for this. Let me see. So I have this app, and then I have to actually invite. So let me create a list. Tester name is Jahed. I'm gonna put this email here. So let me just do that. So you just actually create a tester thingy for your app. Let me just go here. TJ8086. Okay. I'm gonna save this. I did this, and then okay. Let's look at this now. Nice. Okay. And then I'm gonna try it again here once more. Actually, I have it. So I have it here on my Google Play that I have been invited, and then I can actually accept the invite, and then I will have the app. So I don't have, so I just went, and then actually I have the app on the Play Store, Google Play, and then I just downloaded, and continue. So I'm actually downloading the app now. Here we go. We have the app here. I can just go log in. Perfect. We have our app here. So you can see I have it here. It's all good. So actually, so I did, launch it to Android, and this is how you do it. And, you can kind of create a new release, and then you can actually, upload the pictures, change the logo. You can just upload the APK. You can just change everything else. But it's very easy. So you can have testing, but also you can have pre-launch, also, launch process, other things. But it's very simple. So you saw that actually I did it. And this is of course for internal use, but then for for the external use, you can actually push it because I don't have the design now ready, but also I don't want to publish it for others. So you can actually publish like this, and then that's it. So you can actually apply for access to production. And yeah, these are the simple steps how to actually deploy your app to Android. So yeah, I stopped sharing my screen. So this was it. Yeah. So we just built actually, a simple note taking app, and we just build a backend. We just have this nice design for it. And actually, this is now available on Google Play. To limited users, so we can have 100 users, testing users, and after that, if it's all good, then we can push it to actual Play Store, and then have the logo, have the screenshots, and all the information. You just need to submit. But this was a process, yeah, how to build an app from idea to MVP to build a functioning mobile app, and then launching it to Play Store or Android. So thanks a lot for watching. And if you have any idea that you want me to build anything, please let me know, and I would love to build that for you. And then you can have that video watch, and then you can also build that. So, and our next video will be about iOS, how to launch an app to iOS or Play Store. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all next time. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and enjoy your time. Bye bye. Take care.